The first thing that you'll have to look out for, there is a negative sign between both the integers. Then plot both these, just plot. Positive 3 is here and negative 4, okay. Now, where do you start jumping from? From negative 4, because that is the one which is second, that needs to be subtracted. From here, you start jumping towards the other marked integer. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps. Now, if you want to do subtraction of integers on a number line, these are the steps to be followed. The first thing is, obviously there has to be a minus sign in between the two integers. Then you plot these two integers on the number line. Just plot them. So one is positive 6, it's here, and the one is positive 2. Okay. Now a very important step is, you always have to place your pen on the second integer. Whatever needs to be subtracted from this, you place your point over there. It is positive 2. Okay, from 2, you start jumping towards the other marked integer. Okay, I'm starting to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when you jump towards the right, it is a plus sign. And if you jump towards the left, it is going to be negative. So now we are jumping towards the right. So the answer is going to be, how many steps we took? Plus 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your answer. So how will you show it? Now this is there, so you just show that you took how many steps. You can show it like this, 4 steps. And you went towards the right. So when you go towards the right, positive sign, and how many ever steps you took, that is your final answer. Question number 2. The first thing that you'll have to look out for, there is a negative sign between both the integers. Then plot both these, just plot. Positive 3 is here and negative 4, okay. Now, where do you start jumping from? From negative 4, because that is the one which is second, that needs to be subtracted. From here, you start jumping towards the other marked integer. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps you took. So you can show it like this. 7 steps you did towards the right, and so it is positive 7 is the answer. Sum number 3. First thing to observe is a negative sign in between. Plot both the points. Okay. Negative 5 is here. Positive 3 is here. Okay. From where do we start jumping? We start jumping from positive 3 towards negative 5. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we are going backwards, so it is negative 8. Why 8? Because we took 8 steps backwards. Question number 4. First we have to look for this negative sign in between. Okay. Plot both these points. Negative 2 and negative 6. Okay. One is negative 2 and the other is negative 6 is here. From here, negative 6, start jumping towards the other marked integer. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Write down over here. 4 steps we took towards the right, and so it is positive 4. Why positive and negative, guys? If you are jumping towards the right, from after you follow all the steps, when you're jumping towards the right, the final answer is going to be positive. And if you're jumping towards the left, it doesn't matter which integer you are choosing or whatever. If you're jumping towards the left, your final answer will be negative only. Okay, this is the last one. After this, you have to attempt 5 questions on your own. I want the answers in the comment section so that I know that you all have understood it very well. Okay. What is the first thing that we have to do? Plot the points. Oops. So one is 0 and the other is positive 4. Okay, from positive 4, I will start jumping towards the other integer. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going backwards 4 steps. And so my answer is going to be negative 4. Now, one more thing I want to clarify is that most schools don't do this method. There are some who do this, but I'll tell you another trick. Some schools allow that, okay? So what you can do is, over here, instead of this is negative, change it to positive. What do you do for positive? You know that rule, guys, keep, change, change. This is a very common thing that they do. Keep, change, change means keep the first one as it is, so it will be positive 6. Change the sign in between, make it plus. Whatever is there, just opposite of it. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. And positive 2 will again change to negative 2. So keep the first one as it is, change this, keep, change, change. Now you can treat this as addition of integers and follow the steps that I have done in another video of addition of integers. Is this clear? So those schools who don't do this kind of method, they can allow that also. So to change it, for example, now look at the next one. If I have to change this, keep, change, change. Keep means as it is, whatever it is, you have to keep it as it is. Negative becomes positive, we change it, and negative 4 becomes positive 4. Now this has become addition of integers. Now you cannot follow these steps. For addition of integers, I have released another video of how to do addition of integers on a number line. If you'll go there, you will understand this. This is just for those schools who don't do this step, okay? I hope this video was helpful. Okay, here you have to pause the video. Whatever steps you want to follow, both the methods are okay. Just give me the correct answers in the comment section below. Let me see who all can do this. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.